Let me ask you something. What if humans aren't actually special? What if intelligence wasn't some miracle that only happened once, but just something evolution accidentally creates every now and then? Because right now, somewhere on Earth, there are animals using tools. Recognizing themselves in mirrors, teaching their children, solving puzzles, grieving their dead. And some scientists genuinely think certain species might be on the path toward higher intelligence. So the question is, could any other animal eventually become as smart as us? And if they could, which one would it be? First, we need to understand something weird. Because superintelligent is actually kind of inefficient. Your brain is insanely expensive. Even though it's only about 2% of your body weight, evolution usually prefers faster reproduction, lower energy use, survival efficiency, not giant philosophical brains wondering what happens after death.
So why did humans become intelligent in the first place?
Well, scientists think it was basically a perfect storm. Our ancestors started walking upright, which freed up their hands. Those hands started using tools. Tools helped us hunt. Hunting required communication. Communication became language. Language allowed knowledge to stack over generations, and eventually, you get taxes. But here's the important part. Human intelligence wasn't guaranteed. If evolution replayed. Earth from the beginning, humans might never appear again. Maybe intelligence is just an accident. But accidents can happen twice. So, naturally, the first animal people think of is primates. Chimpanzees share around 99% of our DNA, which honestly explains a lot about humanity. Chimps use tools, understand social hierarchies, manipulate each other, hold grudges, and start wars, and sometimes even do politics, which is terrifying. There are documented chimp conflicts where groups literally ambush rival groups, like organized military raids. That's not instinct anymore. That's strategy. Some apes can also learn sign language and recognize themselves in mirrors, which is a huge deal because thinks the reflection is another dog. A chimp can,
realize, wait, that's me. And that level of
awareness changes everything. But there's still a huge problem.
Humans didn't just become smart. We became obsessed with sharing information.